Today, we're gonna go over a full-body dumbbell workout that's great for muscle growth. Whether you're training at home or in the gym, this routine can be done with just one set of dumbbells and it will hit all the major muscle groups. So let's go ahead and get started. Now, the first exercise that we're going to do is a variation of the Arnold press. This is a great exercise for targeting your shoulders. So, to begin, make sure you have a bench or a chair that is sturdy enough to support the weight of the dumbbells. You lines also want to make sure that the dumbbells that you are using are the appropriate weight for your level of fitness. The weight should be challenging, but you should still be able to maintain good form throughout the entire set. So once you have everything set up, lay back on the bench and grab to dumbbells with your palms facing forward. Once you have the dumbbells in hand, raise them above your head until your arms are fully extended. From there, slowly lower the dumbbells towards the middle of your neck until your elbows are bent at a 90-degree angle. After that, extend your arms back out over your head and repeat 4 reps. And if you want to increase the challenge of this exercise even more, you can add a twist at the top of each rep by turning your palms either up or down. So try to keep your upper body nice and stable throughout the entire movement and focus on keeping good form. So aim for 3 sets of 10 to 15 reps. Next, we're going to work on the back of the arms with a dumbbell kickback. So to begin, grab to dumbbells and stand up straight with your feet shoulder width apart. Make sure you keep your body nice and stable throughout the entire movement. From there, bend your elbows and bring the dumbbells up to your chest with your palms facing forward. Then extend your elbows and straighten your arms behind you, keeping your upper arms fixed in place. Slowly lower the dumbbells back down to your chest and repeat 4 reps. To get the most out of this exercise, it is important to keep your elbows tucked in tight to your body and focus on using your triceps rather than your shoulders or any other muscles. So again, aim for 3 sets of 10 to 15 reps. Moving on, we're going to do a dumbbell row. This is a great exercise for targeting the back. So to begin, grab to dumbbells and stand up straight with your feet shoulder width apart. Raise both dumbbells up so that your arms are fully extended and then bend your knees slightly and lean forward from the waist. Now keep your back flat and don't round forward. From there, bend your elbows and bring the dumbbells towards your belly button. Then straighten your arms and return to the starting position. Remember to keep your elbows close to your body throughout the entire movement. So again, aim for 3 sets of 10 to 15 reps. Next, we're going to move on to the legs and work those quads with a Bulgarian split squat. So to begin, grab to dumbbells and hold them at your sides as you step back into a split squat position. Make sure your front foot is flat on the ground and your back knee is not touching the floor. From there, lower yourself down until your front thigh is parallel to the ground and then push off with your front foot to return to the starting position. It is important to keep your weight over the middle of your foot and to avoid leaning too far forward. So again, aim for 3 sets of 10 to 15 reps on each leg. Last but not least, we're going to finish off with a dumbbell calf raise. So to begin, grab to dumbbells and stand up straight with your feet shoulder width apart. Raise both dumbbells up so that your arms are fully extended and then raise up onto your toes. From there, slowly lower yourself back down and repeat 4 reps. To get the most out of this exercise, it is important to keep your knees slightly bent throughout the entire movement and to focus on using your calves rather than your thighs or any other muscles. So aim for 3 sets of 15 to 20 reps. So that's it. If you want to build muscle, then you should consider giving this full body dumbbell workout a shot. Just remember to always warm up before beginning your workout and to cool down afterwards. And I also recommend getting plenty of rest and eating a healthy diet to support your fitness goals. If you enjoyed this video and found it useful or interesting, I would really appreciate if you gave it a like and also make sure to subscribe to our channel for more content. But that's it for this video, and I'll see you guys next time.